Hey Gadget Waves family, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the future, and let me tell you, it's looking incredibly smart. We've rounded up some of the most innovative and genuinely game-changing smart devices and AI robots that are set to redefine how we live, work, and interact with our spaces. From keeping our homes spotless to venturing into entirely new realms of automation, this lineup is packed with tech that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Get ready to have your mind blown because we've got a lot to cover. First up, let's get our indoor spaces sparkling clean. Dreame Cyber X. The Dreame Cyber X isn't just another robot vacuum. It's an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse that truly elevates the concept of autonomous home care. This thing intelligently navigates your home, not just vacuuming up dirt and debris, but also tackling stubborn spills with its robust mopping system. What sets it apart is how it manages the entire cleaning process end to end. It features advanced obstacle avoidance to deftly maneuver around furniture and pets, and its self-cleaning and auto-drying capabilities mean you barely have to lift a finger. It returns to its base, empties its dustbin, washes and dries its mop pads with hot air, ensuring everything is fresh and ready for the next cleaning session without you dealing with dirty water or smelly pads. It's designed to be a set-it-and-forget-it solution, giving you back precious time and a consistently pristine home environment. Now, moving on to the next gadget, which takes us outside. Roborock Saros Rover. From keeping your floors clean, Roborock is now taking its smarts to your lawn. The Saros Rover isn't your grandpa's lawnmower. It's an advanced AI-powered robotic lawnmower designed to give you a perfectly manicured yard without any of the usual hassle. The Saros Rover leverages cutting-edge navigation technology, including advanced AI obstacle recognition and GPS, to meticulously map your lawn and avoid obstacles like trees, flower beds, and even pets or toys left in the yard. It learns the optimal mowing paths, ensuring every inch of your grass is trimmed efficiently and evenly. This means less time sweating under the sun or wrestling with a heavy machine, and more time enjoying your outdoor space. It's a prime example of how AI is moving beyond indoor tasks to transform our entire property maintenance routine, making yard work effortless and consistent. Next up, a completely different approach to home cleaning. Narwal Flow 2. If you're serious about mopping, the Narwal Flow 2 brings an entirely new level of sophistication to hard floor cleaning. This robot is a dedicated mopping master, renowned for its innovative self-cleaning system that goes beyond what most combo units offer. The Flow 2 continuously washes its mop pads with clean water from its base station during a cleaning cycle, ensuring it's always mopping with fresh pads, not just spreading dirt around. It then automatically dries those pads with hot air when it's done, preventing mildew and odors. But it's not just about the mopping, it also includes a vacuuming function, making it a dual threat for hard surfaces. Its intelligent navigation helps it avoid carpets while mopping and transition effectively between cleaning modes, delivering a truly hands-free deep clean that leaves your floors sparkling. From here, let's jump to another smart device for ultimate convenience. Samsung Bespoke AI JetBot Combo AI. Samsung's Bespoke AI JetBot Combo AI is their answer for a fully integrated premium cleaning experience. This robot represents the pinnacle of smart home cleaning, combining powerful vacuuming with effective wet mopping in one sleek, design-conscious package. What truly stands out is its advanced AI-powered object recognition, which allows it to identify and categorize a vast array of objects in your home, from pet waste to charging cables, enabling it to navigate more safely and efficiently. It learns your home layout, adapts to different floor types, and even offers specific cleaning suggestions. The combo AI aspect means it can intelligently switch between vacuuming and mopping modes, and its accompanying all-in-one clean station automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and washes and dries the mop pads, virtually eliminating manual intervention. It's designed to seamlessly blend into your smart home ecosystem, offering unparalleled convenience and a consistently clean environment.
Now, let's explore something that pushes the boundaries of robotics. xLean TR1. Stepping away from home cleaning, the xLean TR1 represents a fascinating leap into the world of humanoid robotics. This isn't a consumer gadget for your living room just yet. It's a highly advanced bipedal robotic platform built for versatility and complex manipulation. Think of it as a sophisticated framework for researchers and developers to create applications that require human-like movement, balance, and interaction. The TR1 is designed with incredibly dexterous hands and highly articulated joints, allowing it to perform intricate tasks that traditional robots can't. While it's still in the early stages of broad public deployment, its significance lies in its potential to revolutionize industries from logistics and manufacturing to personal assistance and even hazardous environment exploration. It's a glimpse into a future where robots can perform a much wider range of physical tasks alongside humans, taking on roles that require high precision and adaptability. Finally, we have an AI robot focused on companionship, Robotin R2. The Robotin R2 shifts our focus from utility to interaction and companionship. This charming little robot is designed to be a personal assistant and an engaging companion, blending artificial intelligence with an approachable, emotive personality. The R2 is capable of natural language interaction, meaning you can talk to it conversationally, ask questions, and even get reminders or play games. It can recognize faces, follow you around your home, and express a range of emotions through its movements and digital display. While it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks, its purpose is to enrich your daily life through playful interaction, providing information, and even connecting with smart home devices. It's a peek into a future where robots aren't just tools, but active, engaging members of our households, offering a unique blend of assistance and genuine companionship. And that wraps up our whirlwind tour of some truly incredible gadgets and AI robots shaping our world right now. From making our homes smarter and cleaner, inside and out, to pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve and even bringing us delightful companions, the future is looking incredibly exciting. If you loved this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button. Leave a comment below telling us which gadget you're most excited about. And of course, subscribe to Gadget Waves for more cutting-edge tech reviews and showcases. We'll see you in the next one.